Earnings season is winding down, I know, but this is the last video I'm going to be doing for this earnings season, but we've still got a lot of good retailers still to come, and we have some tech names this week of Thanksgiving that you should probably be following if you're interested in kind of what is going on there. And then we're going to get some of the fiscal year reporters coming up in December. So if you want to know what those earnings charts look like, including Micron, you can follow me on @TracyReineck on Twitter, because I'll be tweeting them all throughout December over there. And then our videos will resume in January again, because earnings season is right around the corner, even though this one is just wrapping up. So let's see, who should you be watching this week of Thanksgiving? I brought 5 good names. Let's take a look. First one out of the gate is Autodesk. So this is one of the tech companies that kind of gets overlooked, but it shouldn't, because look at that chart. Just one miss since our data began in 2016, so they have a real good earnings track record. It has pulled back off those highs of earlier in the year, but it's looking like it wants to get there again. So we'll see if this one kind of makes a statement going forward here into December. And then we're going to switch over to VMware, another tech name. And this one also had the good-looking chart into the beginning of this year, has pulled back, but starting to rally again. It hasn't missed since our data began there in 2017, so it too has a good earnings surprise and or meet or beat track record. And so this is another one that a lot of people interested in tech this shortened holiday week will be watching. And then we're going to switch over to Deere. Now this chart really surprised me, and I don't know why, because I bring it every quarter, and I was bringing it because of its great track record, as you can see, up until 2018. And then it just can't seem to get it together with the analysts about what is going on with actual earnings. So we've seen those 6 misses in a row. They weren't big misses, that's the smaller red arrow, but misses nevertheless. But yet, these shares have busted out again to 5-year highs. Now, part of that is because as agriculture is struggling, construction isn't as much, and they do have construction equipment as well. So that's something to watch when you're watching this earnings report. But I took a look too to see, are these shares real expensive here with this new breakout? Not really, trading at 15.5 times or so. So this is an interesting one, and a lot of people will be tuning in both for the construction and for the ag side. And then we're going to get some of these retailers that I was talking about earlier. Best Buy is one of the big names this week. Only that one miss there in 2017. So it's put a good track record together, but shares are real volatile. They seem to peak there in 2018. Then we had that huge December sell-off where everybody thought like the doom was coming, the end of the world. Big rally off there, and then just kind of waiting for a catalyst here. So we're right ahead of Black Friday and Cyber Monday. What will they be saying? What are they seeing out there? Because basically the sales are already going on. So this is a big one that a lot of people are going to be watching. And then another one of the big names, Burlington Stores, also with just the one miss just 2 quarters ago, but these shares still powering higher. A lot of people beginning to ask about valuations on this one. It's trading at 28 times. That's pretty pricey for what is basically a big box retailer. Does it deserve that kind of valuation? I don't know, but this is another one that a lot of people are going to be watching. So as you can see, a lot is going on this week, even though it's a shortened week, and I'll be bringing you other names, as I said, on my Twitter account, more earnings charts. So be sure to tune in somewhere. And as always, you can get all of our earnings videos and all of our videos at zacks.com/YouTube. You want to subscribe over there so you're not missing a single one. So when earnings season starts up again, you're not surprised, because there will be more earnings videos coming up in just about a little bit over 2 months. So be sure to subscribe over there. And as always, I'll be bringing you everything in the off season in December, like I said, and I'll see you again in January with some more earnings charts.